Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing of the Nisi Swift VND Mist Kit. So included is a hard carry case which holds all your filters. It's light gray in color with a yellow zipper, so very easy to identify when you're shooting at night. This is the Swift ND16, which is a 4-stops non-variable filter. You combine this with the 1:5 to create a 5:9 VND. Here we have an adapter ring, so you can use each filter individually. And here is the TrueColor Pro Nano Variable ND, which has a lens cap included. And lastly, the 1/4 or 1/4 black mist filter. And that brings about a quick end to this unboxing. I will be testing these filters out, so if you want to see how it performs, please do hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.